glow. There's a tiny shop that the sweet winds know. Golden trays and sugared air, tiny cakes beyond compare. Butter swirls and ribbons of cream, strawberry tarts like a summer dream. Macarons in pastel rows, magic in the oven grows. Oh, step inside, don't hurry away. Every crumb wants you to stay. Candied lights and sugared streams, welcome to the shop of dreams.